So here's attempt number 4 at making mayonnaise. Attempt number 3 was a success. So for my recipe, I'm using extra light olive oil because I learned my lesson, and you can't use regular olive oil. The taste will be overwhelming, and then you'll just throw away the product. It won't taste good. 1 egg, and all the recipes call for mustard. We're making mayonnaise, but we need mustard for some reason. And then for acidity, you need some vinegar and a lemon. I guess it's okay to use one or the other or both, and some salt. The whole egg.
Is it large?
Yeah, I think it's extra large. I don't know, I'll go for half a lemon. I don't think this has to be super exact in the proportions of things. You'll still get mayonnaise. So I'm gonna juice this. So I'm adding my half a lemon to my 1 egg. And then I'm gonna go for half teaspoon. I already have a lot of acidity from the lemon, so maybe I don't need very much vinegar. Here we go. Then we have our mustard, and again, I don't think it needs to be some kind of exact science of how much mustard you add. So I'm just going to imagine about a teaspoon. That's probably good. I got a little spoon in here. I don't know, that's maybe less than half a teaspoon. Quarter teaspoon. We'll call it a quarter teaspoon of salt. And then the main ingredient is going to be olive oil. About 1 cup. Add that in. That came together quite nicely. The consistency is right. That was going to be the taste test. Maybe you take a break from breastfeeding. Well, we can take a break, so Marge can come over here and do the taste test.
You sleep. I can't because you fall asleep.
Or I'll be the one. Excuse my finger.
Double D.
Yeah, tastes like mayonnaise. I can tell that I added lemon and mustard. The mustard's coming through. Oh, really? It's good that the olive oil is not coming through. Camera turned off for some reason. Don't know if we got that taste test in there. My spoons are too far away.
You gonna have some?
I like it.
Yeah, it's nice. It
Ta-da!
overflowed.
Oh, it overflowed. Ta-da! Delicious homemade mayonnaise.